everyone, how are you? Hope you all are following our 3 guidelines. And today we are discussing our Ayurveda guideline week 4. Why today's need guideline? If you want no hair fall, if you want your eyes will be stronger, if you want your ear will be stronger, even at your age of the 80 you can hear with very small sounds also. And if you want your nose will be stronger, if you don't want any allergy disorder, then we need today's guideline. Today's guideline is about Nasya, nasal drops. Every day, according to Ayurveda, we should do every day Nasya, the nasal drops. Why we need it? Because if it will prevent with so many disorders. First thing, it will give you your eye, nose and ear the strongest one. Even it will prevent your hair graying. Even at the age of your 80 and 90, also your hair will be with your natural color. If you don't have any spine disorder, even your voice be a very good. So who want to be a singer, for that the Nasya procedure will be must do. Even it will prevent a headache, even the chronic rhinitis, means no any allergic rhinitis, even no any facial paralysis. So it shows it will prevent our all old age disorder like Alzheimer or like memory loss. With the Nasya every day, your memory will be a very sharper. So we should do it every day. Even the main benefit is that it will give you protection against coronavirus. How? If you put these two drops in your each nostril, then around your nostril one covering is happen. So when virus will enter in our nose, that covering, due to that oil covering, the virus outer layer will be broken. So that virus not can able to give you more harmful effect. Even like a virus, these 2 drops can give you protection against the pollution, dust and smoke, so many things. So we should do it every day. These drops every day we should use it. And how can we do it? It's a very simple. You can use for that any of the oil, olive oil, sesame oil or even ghee, means the clarified butter also, or the Ayurveda medicine Anu Tailam. And how should we do it? First we should sit in any place, or even you can lie down and put your head like this behind. Take your nasal drop bottle, or even you can use a dropper also. If it is too cold, then you should make it little warm also, and put like this 2 drops and inhale like that. Okay, finish. So it's take only 15 seconds. After the age of the 8 years, up to 80-year people, anyone can do it. Every day we should do it. Only the thing, when there is a cloudy weather, at that time we should don't do it. And if we have a rhinitis present, or that we should don't do it. Or fever, means we have any disease condition, at that time we should don't do it. But if you do it every day, no disease will come to you. So just put 2 drops of the oil in your nostril every day, and be happy and be healthy. Thank you.